Hello everybody, and welcome to installing Unity. Alright, this is pretty easy. Let's go ahead and get started. Please forgive the weird bar at the top. That is because I am on a virtual machine because I want to show you a fresh install of Unity. Alright, so we're going to go here to, let's go ahead and open up Chrome and get that started there. Alright, so we're going to go to unity3d.com. Alright, and hit enter on that. And we're going to choose get started. And we'll choose individual because we're not making enough money on this. Alright, so we'll hit individual on that, and then we'll hit personal. Alright, so there, we'll hit that, get started, and you're going to hit new users. Alright, you agree that you're not making more than 100,000 in gross revenues from, basically. We'll hit agree and download. Alright, wait for that to finish. Just run that. Answer yes to the burning question. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and close out Chrome here because we don't need it anymore. I'll hit agree on that. And then install. Alright, since this is done, we'll hit finish. Alright, so this is the first step of it. Unity itself is not installed. By the way, always check both of these on here and then hit allow access. Alright, so we need to install Unity. This is not the one we want. 2018.4 is an older version of it. We'll just hit skip install wizard here. Because we want the most latest version of it here. We'll hit dismiss on here. Now, here's the thing. It says we have no valid license, and that's normal because we haven't set up our license here. We're going to go down here and hit manage license. Alright. So it says we need a login, so that's what we're going to do. Alright. At this point, it will ask you to either log in, or if you don't have one, you'll need to create one, and you can do that at the link here. That's pretty easy. Just click that, fill out the information, and then come back and fill this in. Alright, so let me go ahead and fill this in real quick. See if I remember my own password, right? Okay. We're going to activate a new license once you've got that signed in. Alright, we're going to use personal here. We're going to use either one of these, that's fine. We'll hit done on that. Alright, so we've got our license here. Mine says plus because I've already got that. I'm going to hit general. And cool. If you need to change where you're installing this, you can do that. Just keep in mind it can't keep everything on a separate drive. There still has to be stuff installed to your C drive. Alright, we're going to go back here. And we're going to choose install at this point. Or installs, sorry. So we have to tell it we want to install Unity. Alright, we'll hit add. Alright, and this is the current version right now. 2019.2.9 F1 as of the recording of this video, but pretty much once a week they update it. And the next one should be, I'm guessing, is going to be 2019.3. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and hit next on this. All right. So you are going to need Visual Studio. All right. So it's going to try to install its own version of it here, which is cool. Make sure that's checked. Check anything else that you want. For example, if you have an Android device or you have, for example, an Oculus Go or an Oculus Quest, you might want to add the Android build support. I'm not going to add it here because this is just a virtual machine for me. If you have a Mac and you have a license for it, you can do that. If you want to do Linux build support, you can add that if you wish. Mac build support again. I do suggest installing the Universal Windows Platform build support. It can be quite useful. And also the Windows build support IL2 CPP. All right, these are the two ones that I highly suggest installing that are besides the required one. I highly suggest not installing the Facebook Game Room support. Not because I'm like anti-Facebook or anything, but it's because the software that it installs can slow down your machine. Alright. So, please don't install the language packs. The only reason I say that is because I won't be able to help you. I won't be able to look at your error messages and be able to tell you anything about it. I'm sorry. So what we're going to do is we're just going to hit next. Obviously you want documentation in there. We'll hit next. We have to agree. All right. And then scroll down a little bit and hit done. Answer yes to the question. All right. And it's going to sit here and do all kinds of uninstall stuff for us. This will take a while, and it will take longer if you have a slow internet connection. All right. So things will pop up along the way. Make sure you answer yes to it and all that stuff. So yeah, this will probably fast forward in a little bit. So yeah, see you on the other side.